My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle has done just over 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can access multimedia and radio, telephone and navigation, contacts, connected drive, vehicle information and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. We also have the choice of 4 different driving modes to choose from: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather red and black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.